Welcome back to my channel. My name is Asinike. Please guys, let's just get right into this video. I need to explain from the beginning. So this is the wool I'm going to be using. I ordered this wool from AliExpress. Can you see this is different from the normal thread, sewing thread? This one is shining, so you can see what I'm doing. I kept all the thread into the basket, then I start rolling from the handle of my door. Please guys, do not roll a lot of thread from the beginning. Roll each box braid. How will I explain that? Like now, for one strand of box braid, roll one strand of box braid, cut it, put it on your hair rack or anywhere you want to put it, so that you can be picking it one by one. When I roll a lot, this got tangled because this is my first time of using this kind of thread to make a braid. So this is what I'm trying to say. This is how you should do it. Roll it different each box braid. Do not roll it once like you want to use your hand to demarcate it when braiding. No, make sure you roll it for each braid, or else it's going to get tangled. You're going to see what I'm trying to explain. Now I'm going to section my hair. After I'm done sectioning my hair, I'm going to use my blueberry hair cream to rub the parts, then I'll start braiding. You can see that I have two strands. That is what I'm trying to say, so that if I want to section the wool, it will be very easier for me to section without it getting tangled. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you so much. And guys, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Can you please support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that I can be notified anytime I'll play the video. And guys, please do not forget to thumbs up. Please thumbs up for your girl. So you can see what I'm doing now. I'm just braiding the hair. After I'm done braiding the hair down, you're going to see what I'm going to be doing towards the tip. When I tie a knot with this wool, the knot is not working out. It's unraveling back. I was like, oh my god, oh my god. I used a lighter, it was not melting. So I said, okay, no problem. I'm going to use a super glue. So I make use of a super glue to glue the tip. Just keep on watching. You're going to see how I did that. So you can see I took two strands of the wool that I've already sectioned down. Then my hair is the third strand. Then I keep braiding down. So this is the super glue I use. After I tie a knot, I'm going to form a loop now. I will tie the loop twice. Then after I'm done tying the loop, I'm going to be trimming the excess off. And guys, if you want to use this wool, this thread, make sure all the thread are equal. If they are not equal, if one is longer than one, when you braid, a lot of part is going to come out towards the body of the braids. You understand what I'm trying to say? I mean, like now, when one wool is longer than one, and you keep braiding and you still have like three strands of braid equal to each other, and the fourth one is short, you have to allow it to be the same length, or else when you keep braiding it like that, there will be a lot of hair towards the body. Just keep on watching. I'm going to show you towards the end of the video what I'm trying to explain. Now I'll form a loop. I'll tie the loop. After I'm done tying the loop, I'm going to be adding the super glue. Then I'll cut it off. This did not unravel. This did not unravel. Yes, I'm still rocking the hair now. I'm still rocking it. Then I'm done trimming. I'll section my hair again. If you want to do this kind of hairstyle, I would advise you to get like 6 or 8 of the wool. 6 or 8 of the, and the wool I use is the shiny one, not the normal sewing wool they use in sewing clothes. No, that is not the one I use is the shiny wool. I'm going to put the picture somewhere at this side for you to see very well the wool I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Can you see that some of it are showing towards the body? We don't want that. That is why I said make sure the length are the same length. So guys, keep on watching. This is the best hairstyle for summer. It does not look as if I have any braids on. Very lightweight, easy to sleep with. In fact, oh my god, this hairstyle is a bomb. Very light and convenient hairstyle. If it's not because I'm going to be making another video, this is the best summer braids I've ever have. It won't even touch your neck or feeling it or feeling uncomfortable. You know, sometimes when you have your braid on with attachments during the summertime, sometimes your hair is kind of, your scalp will be feeling so hot. But this one, my god, very convenient. Very convenient. Please guys, support your girl by clicking on the like button. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, share with your loved one. Please click on that like and subscribe button and notification bell. Can you see? Very lightweight. I'm just moving my hair anyhow I want, moving it left, right, front, back. Hello, I try not to do a voice over toward this part. This is 1 week after I achieved this gorgeous braid. I decided to rock this hair for 1 week because it's my first time of using that kind of thread to achieve a braid. I wanted to look what the final look is going to look like before I bring it out to you guys to see. Can you see? This is so beautiful. The only place I fucked up was from the beginning of the video. You will have seen that I wasted some thread and I purchased only 4 packs of the thread. So I tried to work with the little amount left over because I could not find this thread in any of the store in my area where they sell sewing things. So I ordered the thread online. I'll put the link of where I ordered in the description box below, so can you see the final look? Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is a very lightweight, perfect for this summer weather, because here in Italy it's very hot now. So this is so perfect. It does not look as if I have anything on my hair. Very lightweight, very you can rock it anyhow you want it. So can you see it's not itchy? No, it's not. The only thing I do when I wake up in the morning, I apply my DIY hair oil, then I can put mousse if you want. So you have to make sure you moisturize your scalp, because this is a thread. So it's as in, how will I put it? Sorry for that. It will make your hair get dry easily. So you have to oil your hair every time you wake up in the morning. And let me tell you something else. This hair is even shining, natural shine, as in natural. Oh my god, it was really painful that I wasted some part of this thread from the beginning of the video. If you want to achieve yours, I would advise you to purchase like 8 pack of it, because I really manage it. I allow my hair to be bigger than the actual amount I want to use. Can you see the final look? This is so beautiful. I really love the final look so much. So thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly please support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button, comment down below, share with your loved ones. See my next video. Stay blessed.